Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your account and server basics. Sign into your Mojang or Microsoft account to ensure it's linked and not suspended, and make sure the server and client versions match exactly. Once done, check your local internet connection and DNS. Restart your router if needed. Also verify NAT and firewall rules allow outbound Minecraft ports. This prevents validation handshakes from failing. These steps remove common blockers before deeper configuration changes. You now dig into server configuration and extensions. Open server. Properties and confirm online mode equals true so Mojang authentication runs. If you use offline mode for test servers, understand validation will fail. Once done, temporarily disable plugins or mods that intercept login or change UIDs, then restart the server to isolate the culprit. Also inspect bungee cord, velocity, or proxy bridge settings. These can rewrite authentication headers. Make adjustments, then test a clean connection to see if you finish by checking logs and certificates to root out lingering issues. Open server logs and search for UUID, session, or auth timestamp errors to pinpoint failures, and make sure system time is accurate. Skewed clocks break validation. Update Java and the server jar, and renew TLS certificates if expired, then restart. If problems persist, briefly toggle online mode to retest in a controlled way before reverting. This helps confirm whether authentication flow or an add-on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.